Hello everyone and welcome back to my cooking simulator tutorial. In this video we are starting a new section about fire, and our roadmap for that section looks like this. Let's start by downloading the fire assets from FAB. You can get it from the link in the pinned comment. When it comes to working with fire, using text will make things a lot easier, especially since we will have multiple actors that can be set on fire. Instead of adding a boolean flag to every one of them, a single tag will help us manage everything much more cleanly. Open project settings, gameplay tags. Add a new gameplay tag source and name it Cooking Simulator Tags. Then open the gameplay tag manager and add a new tag Cooking Sim Burning. We have added the tag, but there is one little issue. In actor tags it's actually an array of names. To get the name of the tag, we typically need to call two nodes. We have a function called getTagName, but we can't set the tag directly there. Instead we need to use make literal gameplay tag before calling it. To avoid repeating this process, let's create a function library. Go to the blueprints folder and create a new folder called Help Us. Inside that, add a new function library and name it BP Text Helper. Now open the new function library and add a function called getLiteralTagName. This function should have a gameplay tag as an input. Inside the function, call getTagName and return the result. Also make that function pure. Next, let's create fire blueprint. Open the interactable folder and add a new class inherited from actor. Name it BP Fire. And open the new class. For the fire I chosen an fire 2 as the fire asset. Attach the fire to the scene root. However, the fire is too big, so let's make it fit. To do this, add a table to the scene. Then resize the fire to fit the table. Next we need add a box collider to the scene. Extend the box collider height. For the collider, set the custom collision with overlap all as a collision setting. Set collision enable to query only. Finally, remove the table from the scene. Next, let's add on component begin overlap for the box collider. When actor overlaps the collider, add the tag Cooking Sim Burning to the overlapped actor. Now let's open BP character. In the grab-drop event, check if the highlighted object has the cooking sim burning tag. If it doesn't, proceed the usual grab-drop logic. Next, do the same in the start interact event. Before calling interact, check if the highlighted object has the cooking sim burning tag. For the current video, the only thing left is food burning. First, let's open BP pan. In the onCooked event, call the parent function on the start. Next, open BP cookware and go to onCooked. Here we will use a timer. Call the timer by event. For the event, create a matching event called start burning. For the time, create a variable called time before burning and set it to 5 seconds. Then save the timer handle in a variable called burning timer handle. In the start burning event, use the spawn actor node to spawn the fire. Use the current actor's transform for the spawn transform. Now we need to add support for stopping the timer. First, open the clear food items function and clear and invalidate the burning timer handle. Next, override the try-grab function. Call the parent function, and if the result is true, pause timer by handle to stop the timer. Now open the cook event. Before calling update cook progress, check if the timer handle is valid. If it isn't, just proceed the update cook in progress. If it is, call unpause timer by handle to resume the timer. We also need to avoid situations where food items start burning immediately when added to the cookware. To handle this, override try at item function. Call the parent function first. If the item is successfully added, clear and invalidate the timer. And return true. If it isn't, just return false. Now do the same for tried items. Check if the items were added, and if they were, clear and invalidate the timer. Let's update the login. Open the update cook in progress event. In the print string node, set the duration to match the same value as the delay. Next, add event seek and check if the burning timer handle is valid. If it is, use print text with a format string. For the format, write burn in, time left. For time left, use getTimer remaining time by handle. For the burn-in timer handle, set delta seconds as the duration for the print text. Now it's time to test. Open the level, start the game, and everything works as planned. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!